Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on this fingerprint unlock. And we have to enter our screen lock if we've got one. If not, your device will ask you to add new screen lock because you will not be able to add the fingerprint without an additional screen lock. If for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So be aware about that. So let me enter the screen lock, tap on got it. It was basically about using the screen protectors, so if you've got one it may affect the fingerprint scanner, so be aware about that. And now let me put my finger on the sensor. So now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, so try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Of course, your device will show you the information if you're adding the same area, so you will have to just move your finger. Okay, we just successfully added it. I don't want to add face data, so let's tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to, and add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so among others the lock screen, which is, I would say, the most basic option, but also we can up the locks, lock the apps, or authorize the fingerprint payments. We can change the fingerprint animation. It's up to you whether you'd like to customize it or not. We've got 4 different options. So just mark the option which you'd like to use. And here are some other options like show fingerprint icon when the screen is off, or low light fingerprint unlock. So you will be able to unlock your device in the low light conditions. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.